Welcome, guys. I once again welcome you to my English class. Speak and write English easily. Today, I'm going to see or discuss about the question tag in English. Question tags. What is question tag or what are question tags? In English language, when two or persons are engaged in a conversation, after the statement, it's a practice to ask a question to the end of it. Okay, that is called as actually question tag. For example, it is raining, isn't it? They'll ask. I can't finish that problem. Can't you? She will be coming to my house tomorrow, won't she? I have finished that exercise. Haven't you? Or haven't I? So these are the questions asked by the speaker to confirm his statement is correct or wrong. Okay, how to now just we are going to see how to frame the question tag, because there is a rule for question tag. Question tags are called as short questions. Okay, what are question tag or what is a question tag? A question tag is a short question asked by the speaker at the end of his negative or positive statement. Okay, once again I repeat, what are question tags? The question tags are the questions asked by the speaker at the end of his negative or positive statement. Rama is a clever boy. Example, you can say Rama is a clever boy. The speaker will say that and he'll ask, isn't he? So you want to, the opposite person want to say yes or no. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. So that's the thing he'll confirm. To confirm, that's a practice of asking just short question at end of the speaker's negative or positive or negative statements. Okay. How to frame the question tag? That's the thing. In the just statement, if the statement is negative, the question tag should be in positive. If the statement is positive, the question tag should be in negative. Okay, once again I repeat, see, the statement, what the statement just is made by the speaker, if the statement is positive, the question tag you want to frame in negative. And if the speaker's statement is negative, you want to just frame the question in positive. How to frame it? You want to just take the auxiliary verbs. Have means just have. Have plus not, haven't. It's contract form. Will plus not, won't. Would plus not, wouldn't. Shall plus not, shan't. Can plus not, can't. Should plus not, shouldn't. And you should not use the proper just noun. You want to just use the pronoun then. I told you Ravi is a good boy. Isn't Ravi? You should not use it. Isn't he? Kamala have finished her work. Haven't she? Kamala has finished her work. No, you want to use Kamala means there is a agreement of that subject with the verb. There is another topic. If the just what subject is plural, you want to use a plural verb, and subject is singular. You want so Kamala has finished, not have finished. Kamala has finished his work. Just full, hasn't she? So just for the question tag are short questions asked by the speaker at the end of his negative or positive statement. So you want to keep that question tag. Question tags are just usually called a small question, and just you want to know because it's a very important thing. Usually, all who are speaking in English will say just what will you come tomorrow? Will just what? She will come tomorrow, won't she? They'll ask. So like that, many questions are just having just practice of asking the just short questions. That is called as question tag. I think it will be useful for you. Okay, guys, I'll meet you in my next class. Thank you.